All right, traders, check this out. Euro versus the New Zealand dollar. I know we've been waiting for this one. We've been here 3 days ago. I believe that was the last time we've been here, and I was calling out Euro New Zealand break. Calling out for a bullish position. We activated a bullish position, and we said very specifically that what we would like to see is price breaking 78.78 here. 178.78 in order for us to getting stronger, push the position bigger, and hopefully, close in on the target 80.56. Now that's what seems to be happening right now. Price is definitely closing in on that target. But I also wanted to talk about the next stage, pretty much. I mean, we've been targeting here the short-term cycle when we were aiming at 80.56. Now we're probably going to get there. It could be today. If we're lucky, it won't be today because that would give us another chance to throw in one more trade just before we hit that target. And then we'll take it probably the next day. But what I'm trying to say is we're probably going to get there. Now, the real move, guys, is not the one we're taking right now. That's a small move, right? It's like a 200 pip move. There's the position we were able to build here is not very big. The move is short-lived, so the position is going to end up being relatively small. The real move, guys, what we really plan to take here is everything from 80.56 and up all the way to 88.04. That's our real, that's our real motive here. Our real motive is to catch that move, because here, once price cross over that huge obstacle, huge resistance level, 80.56, it's all clear, right? And then we can, we can plan to build up a massive size position going forward. Hopefully we can throw in 7, 8, 9 trades before we hit that 88.04. But that's just me giving you, some a window to the future, so to speak. That's what we would like to catch. That's the real move we would like to catch. But we're still keeping our focus on the present for sure, and we would like to hit that 80.56 first. Then take a bit of a break, right? Could be a few days, could be a day, 2 days, we'll see. We need some evidence. We're probably going to need a weekly closing breakout confirmation coming from, the weekly chart being, breaking that 80.56, closing above. And then we can start to engage with the second stage of this, potential bullish move, right? Yeah, it's very interesting here on the Euro New Zealand dollar. Guys, that's about that. Also, one more thing. We've tightened up the stop loss level. Right, I believe it's been 76.40, 76.45 maybe. We've pushed it to 77. There's more than enough buffer areas between price section and our stop loss level. More than enough support levels. But basically, we're gonna be using mostly 78.78 for protection. That's the real. That's the main, support for us. That's the main buffer level. All right, so looking good, looking bullish, especially from the short-term cycle. So we'll be back soon to follow up on the Euro New Zealand, especially with the second stage of this particular bullish campaign. That's about it for today, Forex Market. It's been a pleasure. We'll be back tomorrow to finalize the week. So stay tuned.